Have you heard about the latest breakthrough in AI video generation? Introducing HOTSHOT, the new text-to-video AI generator that's making waves with its incredible capabilities. HOTSHOT is now in public early preview, and it's already impressing users with its ability to create 10-second, 720p videos, completely watermark-free. Whether you're into comic book-style animations or dynamic rotoscope visuals, HOTSHOT has you covered. The team behind HOTSHOT trained the model in just 4 months, using a staggering 600 million video clips and thousands of GPUs, achieving efficient and versatile results. Imagine creating entire YouTube videos, from text to video, and soon, maybe even audio, using this tool. And the best part? It's free to try, but hurry because daily generations are limited to 2 videos. Head over to HOTSHOT's official site and be one of the first to experience this for yourself. And don't forget to check out their prompt guide located here. Apparently, HOTSHOT is just the beginning, with more surprises on the way.